let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, boil your ground pork until cooked. Afterwards, mince your onion and garlic, and mix it in with the pork along with your carrots, chives, salt and pepper, and lastly, your 4 eggs. Thoroughly mix everything together. It should look like this. Then, pour the mixture in a hot pan with oil and fry until golden brown. Once it looks like this on both sides, take it out and you are ready to eat. That is how you make our delicious Tortang pork Giniling. Best paired with ketchup.
Yum. So delicious. Thanks for watching.